Hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel. This side Veronica. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you what are the steps of doing shaving at home, and I'm going to show you how I do it. So beauties, without delaying, let's get started. So guys, firstly I just opted for razor rather than waxing because I found it, firstly, the less painful. Razor is very less painful, and the second is because of this COVID season I just restrict myself to go to that salon much, so I just found razor much better option than doing waxing. So beauties, now let me tell you what are the steps which I do to remove my hair by doing that shaving thing. So the first thing is cleansing, and for that here I'm using my Body Shop body wash. You can use any body wash which you use. So beauties, always remember, first we have to prepare our skin before using that razor on it. So the first thing is you have to use this body wash. Just cleanse it, remove all the pollution, dirt, oiliness and greasiness from your skin, from your body, before applying razor. So let's get started. Firstly here I'm taking my body wash, taking few drops of it like this because I'm showing only on my hand. So here I'm doing like this. I just love Body Shop products. They are so good. Their body wash, body butter, they are so moisturizing. So now I'm going to wash my hand. With normal water. Beauties, after cleansing it, now let's proceed to our second step, which is scrubbing. Now scrubbing is a very important part in shaving because it will gonna remove all the dead particles and dead cells from your body. Otherwise you are not going to get that silky smooth skin. So now for the scrubbing here I'm taking my favorite walnut scrub, and I'm going to share the link of all these products in my description box. So here I'm taking a little bit of it. Walnut scrub or any body scrub which you uses, just go for it and then just scrub it. Beauties, you have to do these steps in any part of your body. If you're doing the shaving on your legs, do these steps. If you're doing it on your private parts, on your underarms, then just follow these steps, because these steps will gonna help you in achieving that silky smooth skin after doing that. After scrubbing off all the dirt from my elbows and from my hand, now I'm going to wash it again. So now beauties, the next step is applying body lotion, and after that I'm going to use that razor on my skin. Yes, I'm not going to use body wash, body soap or something and then just make a foam and then I'm going to use razor. No, because that always leads to dry skin. So beauties, just keep this in your mind that you have to apply body lotion and then use razor. So here I'm taking a little amount of it like this and I'm applying it on my skin. Like this, and I'm going to use my Gillette Venus Gillette razor and like silky smooth, super soft beauty. So using body lotion and then using razor will gonna make your skin so shiny and so good too. So just go and try this out. And now I'm going to wash my hand with normal water, just because of this all little hair which are on my skin. I'm going to remove it by washing it with normal water, and then I will be back. So guys, can you see? Whoa, this is like, it just made my skin super soft and super shiny too. So now I'm going to use my towel to just do this pat dry like this. Yeah, it's so soft. So now beauties, last but not the least is applying body butter. So here I'm taking my favorite Body Shop strawberry body butter, and I just love it. Taking a little amount of it and then applying it on my like this. So beauties, now from now onwards you have to follow these steps. First just cleanse it, then scrub it, then apply lotion, and then just remove your hair and then wash it with normal water, and then again in the end apply body lotion or body butter and get that silky smooth soft skin and remove your unwanted hair effortlessly and very easily. So hope you have liked this video. If you have any queries regarding this, just comment it in the comment section, and I'm going to share the link of all the products which I used here in my description box. So beauties, you can just go and check it over there. Hope you have liked this video. Hope you have enjoyed it. Please subscribe. Do follow me on Instagram. See you in my next video. Bye and take care.